Right, another test. It stopped raining here in the UK, so I've managed to get out in my garage. I'm going to do a quick test through the brick wall in the garage, and I'm also going to try and see whether it centres me through the steel garage door. So at the moment it's placed on top of my snap-on toolbox, and it's going to detect me through this brick wall here, hopefully. Yeah, that's the brick wall. And then there's the garage door. And what I'm going to do is take it off there where it's sitting, and I'm going to situate it on the table like that, and then close the garage door. It's got a buzzer connected to it through a MOSFET, and it's an active buzzer, so it just needs power to make a row. So I'll arm it up and I'll do the test through the brick wall first of all. Right, it's powered on. I'm holding as still as possible because the buzzer's going to go off. So I'll move now, you'll hear the buzzer go off. Then I'll go to the other side of the garage wall and see whether it triggers. This sensor must be 2 meters away from the far garage wall. So hopefully you can hear that making a row. So shut up. Right, okay, I'm holding ever so still. So I'll move the sensor now, place it on the table where I've shown you before, and then close the garage door. So just hang on. Right, I've placed the sensor on the table, keeping very still. So I'll move, activate it, and then close the garage door and see what happens. Moving. So I'm about 2 meters away from the sensor now. So I'm starting to move. No activation. No activation at all. Right up against the garage door. Yeah, even banging on the garage door. No activation. I'll go around to the side of the garage, and that the alarm has gone off. It's detecting me through the brick wall. So there I am again in front of the garage door. No activation. Nothing. Can't set it off. Move to the side, and it's detected me through the brick wall, even at an angle. Nothing. Bash the garage door hard and it goes off. Obviously the garage door's moving. Weird. Right, I'm rocking the garage door quite a bit. Right, end of test.